Really nice today, here on the 27th of April 2025, and we have Engelbrekts vägen, 73 staircase. See, now couple 86 and 70 before. We should get the other ones here. The rest in the building style 73 and 75, I hope. And with
75 is generic, unfortunately.
But then 73.
Yeah.
And I'll top it. Built in 1998, like from the beginning of 98 maybe.
Yeah.
As in British 85781. Give us the starting purse, sometimes grams. Really nice and overall.
Yeah.
We'll take two rides here.
Yeah.
I hope we can get to the staircases A, B, D, and E as well. And F.
Yeah.
And G also for me, but later.
Yeah.
And it's also here in Sollentuna, so out of Sweden.
These bike is maintained by cities.
Takes a while to
Yeah. It closes faster when you touch the photo sim.
No, that's the reason.
Still too slow. Maybe not. It doesn't work here, but strange. Still. Yeah.
That was a bit annoying.
Yeah.
But that of course doesn't make the elevator anywhere.
Yeah.
The elevator itself is really nice.
Yeah.
That's not the elevator's fault.
Yeah.
It's something that they could have just adjusted on the controls.
Yeah. That's
That's it, thank you very much.